When any of your teachers send you a file that is a .note file, that means that it is a recording in Notability where they can go over step by step how to solve problems and give you instruction. So the way to open those when you're actually in Google Classroom, you want to click on the assignment as you normally would. You'll see that it says unsupported file type. That's okay. You just have to go through a couple of extra steps. The first step is in the top right corner to press the button to open it in Google Drive. It'll still say unsupported file type. You want to click in the top right the triple dots and open in, which will give you the option to open this in Notability. Once it says it's sent to Notability, press done and then go and actually open Notability on your device. You will have the note import. You can go ahead and open it. And this was an example video that I've done. Your teacher will have different content, but what you want to do to view the actual video, right next to the little microphone for the recording button, you can see that there's time here because I've recorded a video. Press that down arrow and you'll get this bar right here that allows you to play the video and hear and see the recording that your teacher's done.